What is the purpose of Amazon Cognito? A. To manage user identities and access control for AWS resources. B. To store and retrieve any amount of data at any time. C. To provide a fully managed messaging service for distributed applications. D. To build, train, and deploy machine learning models. Answer: A. To manage user identities and access control for AWS resources. Which AWS service provides a fully managed streaming data service for Apache Kafka? A. Amazon MSK, managed streaming for Kafka. B. Amazon Kinesis. C. AWS Glue. D. AWS DataSync. Answer: A. Amazon MSK, managed streaming for Kafka. What is the purpose of AWS step functions? A. To trigger AWS Lambda functions in response to events. B. To automate the deployment of applications to AWS. C. To monitor and troubleshoot distributed applications. D. To coordinate and orchestrate multiple AWS services into serverless workflows. Answer: D. To coordinate and orchestrate multiple AWS services into serverless workflows. Which AWS service can be used to deploy and manage serverless applications using a continuous delivery approach? A. AWS Code Deploy. B. AWS Code Pipeline. C. AWS Code Build. D. AWS Code Artifact. Answer: B. AWS Code Pipeline. In AWS DynamoDB, what is the maximum number of tables per AWS account per region by default? A. 50. B. 100. C. 256. D. 500. Answer: B. 100. What is the purpose of AWS Batch? A. To monitor and analyze batch processing jobs. B. To automate the deployment of applications to AWS. C. To provision and manage infrastructure as code. D. To run batch computing workloads on AWS. Answer: D. To run batch computing workloads on AWS. Which AWS service can be used to build and train machine learning models using pre-built Jupyter notebooks? A. Amazon SageMaker. B. Amazon Rekognition. C. Amazon Comprehend. D. Amazon Lex. Answer: A. Amazon SageMaker. What is the primary advantage of using AWS Lambda over traditional server-based architectures? A. Lower latency. B. Lower cost. C. Higher scalability. D. Higher throughput. Answer: B. Lower cost. Which AWS service provides a fully managed service for managing secrets, such as database credentials and API keys? A. AWS Secrets Manager. B. AWS Key Management Service, KMS. C. AWS Certificate Manager, ACM. D. AWS Shield. Answer: A. AWS Secrets Manager. In AWS Lambda, what is the maximum number of concurrent executions per account by default? A. 500. B. 1000. C. 1500. D. 2000. Answer: B. 1000. Which AWS service can be used to automate the deployment and scaling of containerized applications? A. Amazon ECS. B. Amazon EKS. C. AWS Fargate. D. All of the above. Answer: D. All of the above. What is the purpose of AWS Snowball? A. To transfer large amounts of data into and out of AWS using physical storage devices. B. To perform batch processing tasks on AWS. C. To automate server provisioning. D. To analyze and optimize the performance of AWS resources. Answer: A. To transfer large amounts of data into and out of AWS using physical storage devices. Which AWS service can be used to automatically scale EC2 instances based on demand? A. AWS Auto Scaling. B. Amazon EC2 Auto Recovery. C. AWS CloudWatch. D. AWS OpsWorks. Answer: A. AWS Auto Scaling. What is the primary advantage of using AWS Lambda layers? A. Faster cold start times. B. Smaller deployment packages. C. Reduced memory usage. D. Code reusability across multiple functions. Answer: D. Code reusability across multiple functions. Which AWS service provides a fully managed graph database service? A. Amazon RDS. B. Amazon Neptune. C. Amazon Redshift. D. Amazon DynamoDB. Answer: B. Amazon Neptune. Thank you for watching Cyber Trainer. Like and subscribe.